There's an upper and lower part of this. Like this is the lower chins right here, and up there beyond the dam is the upper chin. So I guess you could say this is a double chin.
Figured it would. Got some more rough spots coming up here. Yeah, buddy. Off-roading the chin. They call this the double chin. This is the double chin. So by the way, adventure of a lifetime. Adventure of a lifetime. Next time we're bringing up Keith's Cybertruck from Tesla. That would be something you'll want to see. You won't want to miss it. Make sure to subscribe. Just a side note, ladies and gentlemen, this is 2 days worth of recording up here. I came up yesterday, which is Saturday, and I accidentally deleted all my GoPro footage on my computer because I was messing up with the file transferring. So I came back up today, brought my buddy Keith along. He's actually helping me record. Shout out to Keith. Woohoo! And yeah, we're just having a grand old time up here.
Man,
Myth and the legend. See you, man. Thanks.
I got your camera.
Oh, that's right, you do.
All right, I'm here on the upper part of the double chin. Looks like this is basically fed by snow runoff from the mountain. I'm not exactly sure which mountain this is at the time of recording this video, but yeah, the wind comes and goes up here. You got to get up here like probably on a Thursday night to get good camping spots, like these guys, and some prime spots up there. You can see that. But yeah, the wind's just starting to pick up out here now. It's not regulated by the government and everything because it's so freaking hard to get to. They figure not everybody and their dog's gonna be up here, but still, nonetheless, there's a lot of people up here. I want to go back down. On my way down, there's a cabin that sits in the lake. It's famous up here at Chinns Lake. Get a closer look at that. Yesterday I was up here. There was a lot of people camping around this area. I got a little footage of this old cabin right here, but I want to get better today since there's like nobody up there. Plus it's sunny and warmer today. Alright, well there's that little cabin right there. It's getting really cold in a hurry up here. I don't know, it feels like winter time up here. I didn't realize how high in elevation this lake was. We're like 10,000, 11,000 feet up here, I think, or beyond. So it might be a little brisk for camping without the proper heatage. Thanks for watching an episode of J3 Chronicles, living in those days of affinity. Make sure you hit that sub, like, and keep up with the life. Let me know what you think in the comments below. See you on the next one, peeps.